Today's lesson is Module 4, Lesson 20, Writing and Evaluating Expressions. We're focusing today on multiplication and division. The last couple of days we've been focusing on addition and subtraction. I wrote a math problem that we're going to solve to help us with our assignment. The farmer's market is selling pumpkins. In every box there are 5 pumpkins. So that means one box equals 5 pumpkins. So I wrote a T-chart. The one on the left is for number of boxes. The one on the right is for number of pumpkins. So in one box there are 5 pumpkins. In 2 boxes there are 10 pumpkins. In 3 boxes there are 15 pumpkins. In 4 boxes there are 20 pumpkins. And in 5 boxes there are 25 pumpkins. Now in the past we have gone, oh, well, I can go from 1 to 5 and I can just add 4 and that'll be that. But if you look at the next one, if I add 4 here, so 2 plus 4, I would get 6, not 10. So I know that I'm not going to be adding to find the answers here. I'm going to be doing something else. So since this side of the numbers is getting bigger, instead of adding, I know I need to be multiplying. So to go from 1 to 5, I need to multiply by 5. Now I'm going to test this theory by looking at the next one. 2 times something equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Checking the next one. 3 times something equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times something equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times something equals 25. 5 times 5 equals 25. So every time you're taking the number of boxes and multiplying it by 5. So if I needed to extend this and I needed to write an expression now to help me, if I knew the number of boxes, so I'm going to let my value be b. If I knew the number of boxes, I would multiply b, or boxes, by 5, and I would get the number of pumpkins. In the reverse, since yesterday we learned that you can reverse it, what if I knew the number of pumpkins? P meaning pumpkins. What if I knew the number of pumpkins? Could I find the number of boxes? Just like yesterday, if you're going this way and doing adding or multiplying, you can go backwards and do the opposite to find this side. Opposite of multiplication is division, so I can actually take the number of pumpkins and divide that by 5 to get the number of boxes. That's really it for today's lesson. Write down the notes. If you have questions, we'll talk about in the morning. We will do a lot of practice, but since you understood today's lesson, I'm pretty sure this one will be just a little bit of an add-on for you. I hope you guys have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.